Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to PM Weather. I am student meteorologist Alex Herbst with your weekend forecast for Plymouth, New Hampshire. Today we saw mostly sunny skies throughout the early parts of the day today as temperatures went up into the mid-60s around here in central New Hampshire, though we did see some clouds build in later in the afternoon. Plenty of people went outside today here at the Plymouth State campus and were enjoying the warm weather. Temperatures today reached 65 degrees here in Plymouth with a low around 40 degrees earlier this morning. Normals for this time of year are 52 and 28, so we were well above our normal temperatures, and we will be continuing that trend for the next few days. Sunset tonight will be around 7:25 p.m. and sunrise will be at about 6:11 a.m. tomorrow morning. The moon tonight will be about 84% illuminated, though you probably will not be able to see it past the few rain showers that we will be seeing throughout the area tonight. Our current conditions here in Plymouth as of 5 p.m. show a temperature around 63 degrees with partly cloudy skies. Dew points at 22 with winds out of the west-northwest at 8 miles an hour. Visibility is for a good 10 miles, and definitely hang outside right now and enjoy the warm weather before the rain gets here overnight tonight. Temperatures around New Hampshire right now show 69 degrees over in Rochester, 67 over in Concord, 67 down in Manchester. We were seeing some 70-degree readings earlier today here across southern New Hampshire, as that sunshine was definitely helping to bring a lot more warm air to the Granite State. Around New England, we saw temperatures that range from 68 degrees over in Boston to, as we look to the west, we can see where that weak cold front is passing through the northeast right now, as it's 56 degrees in Bennington, Vermont, 54 degrees in Albany, and 45 degrees out at Binghamton, New York. Nationwide, we can see this warm pocket of air sitting over the south central states, as it's 83 degrees in Dallas, 77 degrees in Houston, but we can also see that cold air that it continues to dip back into parts of Pennsylvania and New York, even into Ohio, as it's holding down the temperature right now in Detroit, Michigan at 67 degrees. Our satellite and radar shows that rain that is starting to build into the Granite State, as it's currently raining down in Manchester pretty hard, and we're seeing the rain also build into areas like Keene, Rochester, and Portsmouth right now, and that rain will continue to move its way to the northeast and into more of the central New Hampshire area throughout the night tonight. The clouds will continue to roll in for much of New England and the northeast throughout the rest of the day, as that rain continues to move in from the southwest. It's currently raining pretty hard over Pennsylvania right now, as areas like Williamsport and Harrisburg are getting pretty hard rain at this hour, while rain continues to fall also in Connecticut and western Massachusetts. So southern New England is definitely also going to feel the effects of this weak cold front passing through. Our next system, though, is currently taking shape over the upper Midwest. So up there in Minnesota and Wisconsin, where we're seeing a little bit of rain over areas like Duluth, Minnesota, even down towards Milwaukee, Wisconsin, we're seeing the beginnings of what will be our next system that will enter our picture on Sunday. And that is currently bringing also some mixed precipitation for our friends to the north in Canada. So surprisingly, we're still continuing to see some cooler temperatures over the southern Canadian provinces. So here's our current surface analysis. We can see this rain that is currently sitting over parts of the northeast that will be moving through our area tonight and should be clearing out by morning. But there is that rain that will be entering the Midwest tomorrow. So areas like St. Louis, Chicago, Indianapolis, Milwaukee, and Green Bay can definitely expect some rain, maybe some embedded thunderstorms tomorrow with the heating of the day as that system continues to pull into the region. And during the day on Sunday, we'll be seeing that continue to work its way to the south. Will be impacting the Tennessee Valley as well as down into the Texarkana region, as well as much of Missouri will be seeing it. So Kansas City will be getting into the rain, as well as Nashville, Tennessee, Louisville, Kentucky. Those areas will definitely see some rain showers. We wouldn't also rule out a spotty shower over New England as this warm front passes and the cold front gets closer to us. So you'll be seeing that here in our model forecast. As you can see, overnight tonight, we'll be expecting those showers to clear out of our region by early in the morning. Then during the day on Saturday, it looks to be a beautiful day before some showers could pass through our region during the early morning hours of Sunday into Sunday morning. But by Sunday afternoon, it looks to be very clear and still very nice. Temperatures overnight tonight could drop down to around 40 degrees, rising tomorrow to around the upper 50s to low 60s. Temperatures overnight tomorrow night will drop back down to probably to the mid-40s. So overnight tonight, we'll be seeing around 39 degrees with light rain showers. Winds will be out of the west at 5 to 10 miles an hour. So for tomorrow, we'll see mostly sunny skies with a high of 62. Definitely get outside and enjoy that. Winds will be out of the west at 5 to 10 miles an hour. And for Saturday night, we'll be seeing showers likely with a low of 41 degrees. Those showers will more than likely be after midnight with winds out of the west at 5 to 10 miles an hour. Our extended forecast shows definitely warmer temperatures for the next 3 days, as Monday looks to get up to around 74 degrees, and we could see a few showers coming into our region on Tuesday. For PM weather, I am student meteorologist Alex Herbst. Have a great night.